Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. I want to invite you to our open house we're hosting this Saturday, August 19th. It'll be at this location, our Boxborough location. You'll find there'll be a link in the description where you can find the address and the event information as well on our website. And I will put it up on the screen right on this side of the screen for you as well if you want to write down the address. The event is running from around 10 in the morning to 4 o'clock. So there's going to be coffee, refreshments throughout the day. It's kind of like a cars and coffee style event, as well as, all of our doors are open to you. You can come tour our state-of-the-art facility, check out some of our cool inventory, like anything from these new Urals to, some hand-picked automobiles in our inventory. And of course, bring your vehicle, bring your motorcycle to show and be able to meet other people, talk to like-minded motoring enthusiasts. I know I'll have one of my cars here that I'll be showing on Saturday. So even if you can only stay for like 10 minutes, just come walk the lot, check out some cars and bikes, and grab a coffee and refreshment. Lunch will be provided as well, so get ready for a delicious lunch on Saturday if you can make it. And there'll also be someone here from Royal Enfield. They're bringing a couple cool bikes to show off. So like I said, we'll have a representative from Royal Enfield here as well to add to all the excitement. So like I said, open invite, come on down. We're looking forward to seeing you guys, and check out the link in the description and in the video if you want to learn the address and the event information. So this has been Ian reporting from one of our Boxborough showrooms, and I look forward to seeing you on Saturday.